Hi, I successfully conducted another Excel macro training for LF Logistics, which is now also known as MAERSK. So, well, what I want to share in this video is not so much about my success, but it's about to appreciate what we have achieved so far. It's not about competitions. It's thinking of what we already have. Yes, we have helped manager, assistant managers, senior supervisors to reduce their weekly reporting time from 15 minutes to less than 2 minutes through this Excel macro. Yes. The thing is that that's is just not enough. I want to show that. So the secret, this saying has been repeated by many people. It's just that it's not a habit for majority to do so. They focus on what they don't have rather than what they have. So the idea is that focus on what we have. So for example, photo I take, it's not easy to get this. It was once almost impossible for me, but now it is a weekly realization. It's at this point that I start to think we take it for granted, and many people do the same. Life is full of blessing we take for granted. So often we draw on what we don't have. Appreciate what you already have, and be grateful. What you already have, be grateful. Find your happiness not by seeking more, but by appreciating what you already have. Find your happiness not by seeking more, but by appreciating what you already have. It was once seems impossible task to learn Excel macro for all of them. But within 2 days, they are able to learn because they appreciate this knowledge. That's why I see that smile in the face. As for me, it's not easy to find a group of people who believe in me just by looking at the course outline, my channel profile, that they believe in me and they believe in me. Thank you, LF Logistics. Thank you. I really appreciate all the managers, spices. Thank you for my customer. Thank you for my customers. Thank you for our customer who believe in us. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, our customer. 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 Thank you so much for our customer. Thank you so much for our beautiful gate. Thank you so much for NYC. Thank you so much for this genius idea. Thank you so much. This except for me the guide. Quick reference. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the growth mindset. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the customer. Thank you so much. Yes, super hot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey nigga, listen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's go. Malaysia. Asia. Thank you so much. Thai musical. Immigration. Digitais. Thank you so much. Panasonic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much as well. Thank you so much, MSKF. Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so much, the Star. Thank you so much, MSM. Thank you so much, Aaron Credits. Thank you so much for the vision and the mission. Thank you so much. Binay, Yusia. Fine, your help is not by seeking more, but by appreciating what you already have. Thank you so much. Texas Instrument. Thank you so much. Second batch. Thank you so much. Here's number 6. Thank you so much. Here's number 7. Thank you so much for this roadmap. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this idea. Thank you so much for this guy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for able to reduce 8 kg. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Poseidon. Thank you so much. Civil Jabon. Thank you so much, Ken Lau. Being in YouTube. Thank you so much, Mayback. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for my story. Resilient. Thank you so much. So much. Thank you so much for all this guide, idea, thought. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The vision. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the niche Microsoft Excel macro training for the logistics. QLF Logistics. I'll be a Thank you for all my customers. Thank you, dear Shell, dear Jasper, LTD, Clever, Josie, Texas, Fiber, Oxford, April, Alan, Ayo, Barry Corbin, FMA, Egypt, TMM, LF, Semi, M, Bangladesh, Guardian, Naga Nation, to Ezras, to Hapsu, JDK, TKSH, LBL, CSF, UD, Lion Group, Just, Chelsea, Sapura Channel, Dunlop, Telepaper, TDK, SJ, have many more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.